Hi everyone, I'm Sana, and I just want to say my experience with Advanced eClinical was amazing. I love that it was fully asynchronous, so I could complete my undergraduate coursework at the same time, and there was a lot of resources to help me along the way. Instructors usually responded within a day, and my assignments were also graded within a day. So if you're looking for a course with flexibility and support, choose Advanced eClinical. ACT did a really good job with making it known that you could contact your instructors anytime or set up a meeting for help. Um, and I really appreciated that because sometimes looking at a course online, you feel overwhelmed, but it was easy to just say, no, I have the resources and I can get help whenever I want. If you're considering enrolling in ACT, I would say definitely do it. The fact that you have a year of time max and then you also can do the assignments and learning at your own pace is really, really valuable. You don't get that in many of the other courses. You're also guaranteed an externship placement, which I think is really crucial for the learning process. So do it.